Time to unbox my brother's piano. Come on, JJ.
Hello everyone, and Aviation 11 here, and today I've received a package. Also, we're going to be doing a model unboxing again like we did last time. Last time, what means. And we're featuring Spy Ninja Kids, is it? And also, let's open this one first. And I'll see you on my other premiere. Yeah. Number one. We got a custom. This is
I just got back from school.
Boeing 787 LATAM.
Show the camera.
And I never had this model before.
So I'm going to show them.
But
isn't that plane sick?
And yeah, I have it now. It's like a custom.
Okay, put it down on the bed.
Never had this.
It's an orange plane.
Next is an orange A380, but it's an A399.
And it's an imaginary plane.
And it's an imaginary plane. You can.
It means you have it in your dreams.
And yeah, like.
Isn't that plane cool?
Yeah, it's a custom.
Orange.
So sick.
Imaginary.
Next model is another imaginary A380.
But it's still sick.
That's so viral. You can.
Look, these are the planes right now.
Yeah.
One.
Very viral.
Last two we got.
And I think this is the last one. A red imaginary plane.
It's good.
And it's a red A380. And yeah, this is very viral. Like it's a shock. Anyway, that is the end. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in another unboxing. Bye.